Got this off. Now it's time to get these 4. And then get over here and get these 2. Alright, grill is out. Here's Kenny. So this goes there. I'm just gonna tighten it up real quick. Tighten these 2 up, just like that. Perfect. Now, get the grill back. And yeah, it's taking forever. All right, let's see how the grill turned out. So cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. It just looks so good with the orange in the headlight, and it just like has like that Raptor look, and it just, this is like the coolest setup people do. They do the Alpha Rex headlights with the Raptor grill lights. I'm gonna unlock it. So cool. So cool. Wow, those are so bright. These are so bright. But we'll get a video. We'll get a more in-depth video about it, but this is just after I installed them. I installed them both at the same time, because if I was gonna have the grill off, you know, might as well put the lights in it as well. I'm not gonna take that apart anymore. So if I was gonna take it off one time, it's gonna be one time only. So one more time, unlock. A little light show. And then there. All right, that's it for today, guys. It was a long day. Took about 2.5 hours to do it all by myself. Didn't really know what I was doing, but was able to just watch a YouTube video, and there's people on YouTube that were able to, you know, describe the actual process, so I didn't have to read any instructions or anything like that. So good thing YouTube is I learned so much from YouTube. So, but yeah. New people, welcome to the channel. My name is Professor Mike. This is my 2018 F150. I post new videos every single week. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a video. I usually post them on Wednesdays or something like that, maybe Sundays, but I definitely post every single week. So, catch y'all in the next video. Peace.